Hello and welcome back to another episode of Kia Electric News. In case you missed them this week, I did two videos. The first covered my holiday return journey efficiency and also a possible resolution of the Kia CCNC GPS issue that I had on the way down. It also covered the release of the latest version of the new Kia app. Wednesday night's video covered many press releases from Kia UK and Kia EU that were all released around the same time. This episode covered the UK Kia EV6 Facelift full GT version details and pricing. It also covered the UK Kia EV9 GT full details and pricing. Also the exact models that will get the entertainment packages next. Also the phasing out of Kia Connect and the other Kia apps to be replaced by the new Kia app. And the news that many of us had started to receive the second EV4 ICCU software update. Links to those videos can be found above. Talking of the new Kia app, from Wednesday at late evening I was getting this strange message saying unstable connection to the vehicle, and it had just two remote buttons and reduced functions. I'm guessing it's probably because the press release had gone out saying it had been launched in Europe and people were just all installing it. Good old Kia Connect still work though. Let's hope all of these issues are sorted before Kia Connect is phased out. By Friday morning the new Kia app was working normally again. Looking forward to the Kia app future enhancements, I've come across this video of the Korean version showing an extra tab on the control button giving access to the 3D surround cameras remotely. As I mentioned before, the EU cars are capable of doing this. The proof of this is buried in privacy settings in the car. It's a feature you can turn on and off. Hopefully this comes to the Euro Kia app soon. I'll start the week with some ICCU news, or Integrated Charging Control Unit. I've had several viewers pointing out that the new Hyundai Inster is also having ICCU issues. These show up as strange slow charging speeds, and some have reported failure of the AC charging and ICCU replacement, just like the issues some have had on the Kia EV3. The Inster has also had its first ICCU software update to address AC charging issues, just like the EV3 has. All of this information I found on the Facebook group called Hyundai Inster EV Owners Fans. This is despite the Inster ICCU being a different model from the EV3. As you can see from these images, the Inster ICCU seems more compact and also has its connections in different places. So is this a hardware fault like the old EV6 Ioniq 5 ICCU design? Only time will tell if these software updates can actually make a difference. Thankfully the issues don't seem to be that common, although it's difficult to tell how many from the Facebook group. The image of the Inster ICCU comes from this Inster emergency response guide, which I've found on the internet, and it looks like a very useful document. I will put a link in the show notes in the video description to it. Korean Car Blog reports that a Kia EV2 Coupe-Style version has been spotted for the very first time. This was completely unexpected, just like the EV4 Coupe version was. I hope it's not just a larger back cladding to make us think it's a coupe though. These images come from a post on Short's Car YouTube channel. So you can have a look, make your own mind up. Something new I spotted on my EV3 this week. I'd used remote climate to cool the car and put the front seat chillers on. When I got into the car I was testing utility mode and I dimmed the displays and noticed that the blue seat chiller lights were also turned off, but the chillers were still on. This is good to know in case you don't realise it. As I may have mentioned a few weeks back, the forthcoming EV4 has a theatre mode. Kia has released this video on how it works. It's in Korean with English subtitles. Enjoy your own cinema with the theatre mode. The theatre mode is available when the vehicle is in P or park. In the infotainment system, go to Cinema and select the platform, the video to play. Click the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen and select theatre mode. In the seat selection you can choose the driver's seat, the passenger seat, or both. The selected seat will be adjusted to the optimal position for watching videos. When this theatre mode is activated, the ambient lighting dims and the air conditioning system turns on. The vehicle will automatically activate the utility mode, so turn off the lights first. Enjoy your leisure with the theatre mode. Nice feature. It'd be interesting to see if it ever comes to the EV3. Whilst I was away on holiday last week, Korean car blogs showed first spy images of the Kia EV5 GT. This will be the all-wheel drive version. This confirms the GT version is already in the works. I don't expect it to go on sale outside of Korea until 2026 though. This week Genesis has announced a major European market expansion at Le Mans. Genesis Motor Europe will expand operations to 4 new markets, launching in France, Italy, Spain and the Netherlands, with first customer deliveries in early 2026. New European markets complement Genesis' existing presence in Germany, Switzerland and the UK. Also this week, Genesis has announced UK specs for the updated Genesis GV60. New bumpers at the front and rear combine form and function, creating an elegant new exterior design while achieving improved aerodynamics, contributing to a newer drag coefficient of 0.28. The new look is enhanced further with the use of colour coding on the wheel arches, bumper inserts and the rear diffuser. At the front, Genesis signature 2-line quad headlights now feature micro lens array technology as standard, delivering superior lighting performance from slim compact units. 2 new 20-inch and 21-inch alloy wheel designs have been introduced, while a selection of exterior paint colours is offered in addition to the standard ultra white, with a total of 14 options across matte, metallic and pearl finishes, including new Tromso green metallic. Inside, bold new interior colour palette options also offer customers a wider choice of personalisation, including obsidian black, glacial white, ash grey, aqua green and galaxy black, or sky blue and Prussian blue. The redesigned high-tech cockpit is defined by the new 27-inch Connected Car Integrated Cockpit, or CCIC, which merges the infotainment and driver information systems across a large panoramic display screen, creating a seamless, intuitive display centered around the driver. A new 3-spoke heated steering wheel features across all specifications, now with hands-on detection, just like in the EV3 and the new EV6, for an additional level of safety while on the road. The CCIC display is home to Genesis' new suite of connected entertainment services, including Bloomberg Media, Bloomberg TV, Disney Plus and Netflix, available for European customers via GV60's in-car entertainment system. All specifications are now underpinned by Genesis' new 84 kWh battery for optimum range and efficiency, with 2-wheel drive GV60 models now capable of a WLTP range of 348 miles. Retaining the 400V 800V charging system, 10 to 80% charging is now possible in just 18 minutes, as it was before, despite the battery size going up, using a 350 kW fast charger. Also available is a highly advanced virtual gearshift system, configurable by the driver. VGS simulates the behaviour of a conventional gearbox and disables the regen braking system, allowing for a deeper level of controlling engagement across different driving situations. High performance 4-pot brakes are included as standard, offering greater braking performance and efficient energy recovery with the upgraded Smart Regen Braking System 3. GV60's augmented brake regen technology utilises traffic flow and navigation information ahead to automatically adjust braking force, improved energy efficiency and offering a smoother, more refined driving experience. Underlining Genesis' focus on offering optimum driver engagement on all models, GV60 can be specified with a hidden drift mode feature, unlocking an exciting driving mode designed for use within closed course conditions. Holding the left and right paddle shift levers for more than 3 seconds initiates the technology, enabling a dynamic driving mode with enhanced oversteer characteristics. GV60 can also be specified with an electronic limited slip differential, or ELSD, and 180 kilowatt electric motors at the front and rear, delivering up to 700 Newton meters of torque via the all-wheel drive powertrain. Using boost mode, a feature which can be used to unlock maximum performance from the powertrain, GV60 is capable of 0 to 62 in just 4 seconds. Optional Bang & Olufsen premium audio delivers a high-definition premium sound experience through a 17-speaker system. Equipped with Dolby Atmos, the advanced audio upgrade provides a 3-dimensional, rich and delicate sound field effect through a 10-step surround system and biosonic function. Another new optional feature for the MI25 is digital center mirror, transmits live footage from the rear-facing camera, relaying a crystal clear rear view during poor weather conditions or situations where the rear window is obscured by luggage. At the front, the GV60's MLA headlights are augmented further by optional intelligent front lighting system technology, which uses the front-facing camera to read oncoming traffic information and automatically adapt the headlights. The new GV60 can also receive over-the-air updates as part of a Genesis 5-year care plan, increasing the level of OTA-compatible features from 18 to 45 items. Orders for Genesis GV60 will open from the 1st of July 2025 in the UK, with customers able to discuss and order the car at Genesis retail destinations across the UK. No UK pricing for this updated model is available at the moment though. Also this week, Genesis Motors also announced UK pricing and specification of the new Electrified G80. The Electrified G80 is exclusively available in Europe in a luxurious extended wheelbase configuration, enhancing the sense of space and creating a significantly elevated and serene experience for rear seat passengers. Electrified G80 features extended range capabilities underpinned by a new larger 94.5 kWh battery, giving an increased combined WLTP range of 354 miles and fast charging from 10 to 80% in as little as 25 minutes. The powerful 272 kilowatt dual motor powertrain produces up to 700 Newton meters of torque, delivering up to 370 PS for the all-wheel drive system. Capable of 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in just 5.1 seconds, Electrified G80 blends high performance with exceptional refinement. The new model also features Genesis highly advanced selectable virtual gear shift, also seen on the GV60 and the recently updated Electrified GV70. New polished 19-inch concave alloy wheels are available as standard, enhancing Electrified G80's distinctive stance. State-of-the-art customer features include a new 27-inch connected integrated cockpit, so CCIC, connected instrument clusters, driver information, audio-visual navigation screen. Biometrical security technology is now available with Digital Key 2, with additional convenience offered by the unique UVC antibacterial storage compartment located in the front armrest. The comprehensive suite of standard equipment includes new 17-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio with Dolby Atmos, paired with active road noise cancelling technology to create an immersive, high-resolution sound experience. Electrified G80 is also equipped with tunnel mode, an intelligent system which automatically closes windows and activates HVAC recirculation while in closed spaces, protecting occupants from harmful emissions. Available to order from £75,615 on the road price, Electrified G80 Dynamic is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies as standard, including a head-up display system and digital blind spot view monitors, allowing for clear, intuitive driver information and safety communications while on the move. Additional intelligent convenience features include preview electronic control suspension, remote park assist 2, parking collision avoidance assist, surround view monitor and highway driving assist. An optional comfort pack is available which includes heated and ventilated front seats and ergo motion massage functions, driver and passenger memory functions and real-world interior highlights. Electrified G80 dynamic models can also be specified with the second row comfort pack designed to take the rear seat passenger experience to another level, with a power door closing system, rear center armrest with control box, electric rear side window blinds, one-touch backlight curtains and rear vanity mirrors. Exterior colour options are the following: Ultra White, which is standard, solid, Cirrus Blue, metallic, Geneva Silver, metallic, Capri Blue, metallic, Halcyon Green, pearl, Koa Blue, metallic, Makalu Grey, metallic, Makalu Grey matte, Matera Blue, metallic, Seville Silver, metallic, Tasman Blue, pearl, Huyuni White, pearl, Vatna Grey, metallic, and Vic Black, metallic. God, that's a lot of colours. Interior colour options are Obsidian Black, available in pure leather or Napa leather, Ecru Camel, available in pure leather or Napa leather, Ash Grey, Glacier White, Napa leather, Prussian Blue, Napa leather. Packs and options: the comfort pack is £1,780, Napa leather pack is £2,620. The second row comfort pack is £2,640. Rear wheel steering is £1,120. White brake calipers £340. Vehicle to load option £300. But is that just the adapter? Now some Hyundai news. In the US, Hyundai Gen5W updates have now been held up until Q3 of 2025 according to the US Hyundai update site. Also, there is still no manual update for the EU and UK Kia EV6 owners waiting for the Gen5W updated maps. I wish Kia and Hyundai would tell us what is going on with these updates, because lots of the sites have still got updated months in saying they're coming in like April and May. This does seem to be a worldwide problem. And finally, Hyundai Mobis has announced new technology to avoid rear-end collisions. This is from the press release. Driving on the highway, have you ever experienced being threatened by a speeding vehicle behind you? Also, accidents may occur due to the carelessness of the driver behind the vehicle or slow driving. In the future, defensive driving that predicts the movement of the same rear vehicle will be possible. That's because Hyundai Mobis has developed technology to automatically predict the movement of the rear vehicles and secure a safe distance with warning if the danger is detected. This technology is a new concept safety system that combines existing driver control technology with rear view radar sensors and front view cameras. It works when the driver is driving on the highway using the smart cruise control. If the driver's car is driving very closely within 10 meters, the car will recognize it on the sensor and first transmit a visual warning sign to the clusters and twitching sound, whatever that is. If the situation persists even after a certain period of time, vehicles increase speed automatically to secure a safe distance. At this time, the rear radar on both sides of the rear bumper of the vehicle detects the movement of the rear vehicle, and the front camera helps to recognize the path of progress and the vehicle in front of it to accelerate safely. Hyundai Mobis plans to further expand the scope of autonomous control for defensive driving against rear vehicles. Currently, the company is developing a lane changing function to escape dangerous situations in addition to an acceleration control function that allows the vehicle to speed up on its own. They say we will actively protect the safety of mobility users by providing solutions that can intelligently handle not only front-end safety but also dangerous situations caused by rear vehicles whilst driving. Anyway, I guess it will speed up to the speed limit, hopefully, and not exceed the speed limit. Anyway, that's all for this week. Links to all stories can be found in the show notes in the video description. Thanks for all the comments, likes and subscribes. Welcome to new channel member Bill Bennett. And welcome back to channel member ACTN. A massive thanks to all my channel members for your invaluable financial support. It's much appreciated and helps to keep the channel going. Thanks for watching.